student. Now today I will continue your chemistry classes. I am coming in the second chapter of class A, that is the physical and chemical changes. This will be the part 1 for the physical and chemical changes. Dear children, change is the law of nature. Change is the law of nature. We change ourselves. The weather change, everything is going to change. Changing is the law of nature. Changing is the law of nature. First of all, you see, matter, any matter undergoes a kind of change when subjected to energy change. Energy change. What is the meaning of energy change? Energy either added or removed. I am giving one example to you. Here you can see this example, that water to ice. When water is going to be ice, water is going to be ice when they lose energy. When they lose energy. Water lose energy and it turns into, their molecules condense and it turns into the ice. Ice is going to turn into the water when they gain energy. Gain energy means heat. When they get the heat, then it turns ice to water. Apart from this, dear children, the matter undergoes the change on the weather condition also. Weather condition also. See, suppose I kept the ice outside without any heating, it will turn into the water. The reason you know, because from weather they get the heat. Then contact with others. If I am going to keep any substance with another substance, that substance will catch the property of another substance when they will come in the contact. It will take time. It is a very slow process. Now, ultimately, the change we are going to divide into two parts: physical change and chemical change. Physical change and chemical change. Physical change. First, the composition of molecules unaltered. Unaltered means there is no change at all. There is no change at all. Here, the composition of matter is altered. Altered means new product form. New product form. I can give you example. This one, C. What is C? Carbon. When carbon is going to burn, it forms the CO2. Now you see, C is the combustible substances. For example, coal. It burns. Oxygen support burning. And when they two are going to mix, it forms the carbon dioxide, which is going to extinguish the burning. Now second one, temporary change. Temporary change. It is the permanent change. You see here example, C plus O2 gives CO2. This CO2 you can't bring back again the C and O2. Then no change in the mass. Means the weight remains same. Here change in the mass. Coal is the solid substance. Coal is the solid substance. Oxygen is your gas. And when they both it is form the gas. Then the last one, evolution and absorption of heat. Either heat evolve or absorb the heat. But here evolution and absorption of heat and light energy also. Here the burning take place. The burning take place. Now dear children, we should continue about the definition of physical change. Physical change are temporary. Easily reversible means can it reverse back. And the state of substance change without its fundamental nature undergoing any change. What is the meaning of the fundamental nature of undergoing change? For example, dear children, I am taking the ice to water. Both things are same, only their states are changed. Only their states are changed. Their molecules, everything is same. They are playing the same role, only their state are changed. Second, chemical change. Chemical change are permanent. It cannot reverse back. Not easily reversible. And results in the formation of new substance. Result in the formation of new substance. For example, burning a piece of paper. Burning a piece of paper. Or digestion of food. Digestion of food substance. We cannot bring it back to their original state. Apart from this, dear children, we have other changes also. First one, reversible and irreversible. These are coming in the physical and chemical change. Apart from the physical and chemical change, there are some changes, reversible and irreversible change. Reversible change, can it bring in their original form? For example, you can take ice to water and water to ice. Water to ice. They are the reversible. Irreversible change, I have given the example. The burning of the piece of paper, digestion of the food, ripening of fruits, these are the irreversible changes. It cannot be bring it back to their original state. Slow and fast change. Slow and fast change, dear children. What the slow change? Slow change, that growing of the tree. Growing of tree. Changing of the weather is not, there is a fast change. Now changing of the season, it takes the time. But fast change is the burning the paper. Burning the paper. Paper. Volcanic eruption. These are coming in the fast change. It takes within the few seconds. Then after periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic change means repeat. Repeat after the certain interval of the time. For example, dear children, after summer, the rainy season will come. After rainy season, the winter season will come. Like that way. But non-periodic change, for example, this if any event happen here, now it will take long time to repeat or may not repeat. This is called the non-periodic change. Then last one is coming here, desirable and undesirable change. Desirable change, undesirable change. Desirable change which is useful for us. Useful for us. For example, digestion of food is useful for us. Ripening of fruits is useful for us. Undesirable change, it is unuseful. Unuseful for us. For example, dear children, unuseful for us, what is that? You know, unuseful for that, for us is that you can say volcanic eruption, earthquake, these things. This is called the, now next class I will explain you with the more example. By the time, thank you.